upset that the children had done so, and Maddie was full of regret and guilt. Maddie was full of guilt and regret for having made fun of Wanda, and now she wanted to apologize to her. Maddie was full of guilt and regret that she had made fun of Wanda. Though she did not like making fun, at least she never protested, never opposed when when her friend when her friend uh, when her friend Peggy had made fun of her. And now she was thinking that how unlucky I am. अब जो है मैं वंडा से माफी भी नहीं मांग सकती. बुरा तो उसको लग रहा था, लेकिन अब वो सोच रही थी कि अब जो है मैं उससे माफी भी नहीं मांग सकती. शी वॉज अ कवर्ड. वो अपने आप को कायर मान रही थी और उसको बहुत बुरा भी लग रहा था. अब जो है शी थॉट दैट मे बी द पेट्रॉन्स्कीज हैव नॉट शिफ्टेड. हो सकता है अभी तक वो शिफ्ट नहीं किए हों, तो एक लास्ट चांस वो देखना चाहती थी बॉगिन्स हाइट्स जाकर कि अगर वंडा है तो वंडा से सॉरी बोल के माफी मांग लेंगे. और she wanted to tell to वंडा कि जानबूझ के मैंने तुम्हारे फीलिंग्स को हर्ट नहीं किया, ये मेरा इंटेंशन नहीं था. वो वंडा को बोलना चाहती थी, लेकिन so what proposal did Maddie give to Peggy? बता, क्या proposal दिया था? Hello, Prince Raj, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Hello. What proposal did?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
propose?
Yes, ma'am.
What did Maddie propose to Peggy?
मैम आपका आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ मैम म्यूट कर दीजिए. मैम म्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज.
हाँ, कर देते हैं. Okay, now what did Maddie propose to Peggy? Hello.
Maddie proposed to Peggy. Ma'am, Maggie.
Yes, answer.
Hello. Ma'am, Maddie proposed to Peggy to go to Vanda's house and apologize.
Yes, very good. She proposed that why don't we go to Wanda's house and apologize. And then both the girls, they started after school. After the school was complete, they started moving towards Peggy's house at Boggins Heights. Peggy का घर कहाँ था? Boggins Heights पर ना. Peggy का घर था Boggins Heights पे. So Maddie could not say anything. All she hoped was that they would find Wanda. Now their attitude towards Wanda had changed. तो हम जो है सिर्फ बाहरी चीजों को देखते हैं, किसी के कैरेक्टर को नहीं देखते हैं. अब वंडा में टैलेंट है, टैलेंटेड गर्ल वो है, तो दोनों का एटीट्यूड चेंज हुआ कि वंडा को हम लोग ऐसा वैसा समझते थे, वो तो बहुत टैलेंटेड निकली. तो अब वो लोग जाके उससे माफी भी मांगना चाहते थे. They were sorry that they had picked on her, means made fun of her, and how wonderful the whole school thought she was. Or all she hoped that they would find Wanda. Now Maddie जो है अब Wanda का तारीफ करना चाहती थी कि she wanted to say Wanda that the whole school thought she was very wonderful girl. कि पूरा स्कूल जो है वो जानता है कि तुम कितनी वंडरफुल हो, कितनी टैलेंटेड हो. And please not to move away and everybody would be nice. और वो जो है Maddie also wanted to convince and persuade. Maddie also wanted to convince and persuade Wanda not to move to a new city. हाँ, मैडी ने सोचा कि वंडा को मना लेंगे कि मत जाओ, अब हम लोग सब बदल गए हैं, अब हम लोग सब तुमसे अच्छा व्यवहार करेंगे, प्लीज नॉट टू मूव अवे एंड एवरीबडी वुड बी नाइस। शी एंड पेगी वुड फाइट एनीबडी हु वाज नॉट नाइस। और उसने सोचा कि वंडा को दिलासा भी दिलाएंगे, अगर कोई तुम्हारे साथ बुरा व्यवहार करेगा तो हम लोग उससे लड़ेंगे। शी एंड पेगी वुड फाइट एनीबडी who was not nice. So now Maddie wanted to convince and persuade Wanda not to move away to a new town, and she would console her, give her the assurance कि आगे से कोई तुमसे बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करेगा, अगर करेगा तो हम लोग उससे लड़ेंगे। The two girls hurried on. यही सब सोचते सोचते दोनों लड़कियां जो है वो वंडा के घर के तरफ बढ़ने लगी। हरीड मीन्स क्विकली, वो तेजी से बढ़ने लगे। दे होप टू गेट टू द टॉप ऑफ द हिल बिफोर डार्क। क्योंकि बहुत दूर था वंडा का घर और वो लोग अंधेरा से पहले वहां पहुंचना चाहते थे, बिफोर डार्क। आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर द पेट्रॉन्स्कीज लिव, सेड मैडी पॉइंटिंग टू अ लिटिल व्हाइट हाउस। फिर जो है उनको वंडा का घर दिख गया, वो एक छोटा सा उजले रंग का घर था। तो मैडी pointed, see, we have reached Wanda's house. Wisps. Wisp means bundles. Bundles of old grass stuck up here and there along the pathway. मतलब वंडा का घर जो था वो बहुत एक ऑर्डिनरी साधारण से एरिया में था, कोई पॉश एरिया नहीं था। वहाँ जो है एक far away remote area, muddy area, and there were bundles of grass here and there. The house and its sparse little yard looked shabby but clean. Sparse means less, मतलब जो आंगन था, sparse little yard, sparse little yard means there was nothing in the yard. यार्ड में जो है कुछ सामान नहीं था। यार्ड मतलब आंगन, कैंपस। लुक शैबी मतलब वो साफ भी था और गंदा भी था। शैबी मीन्स डर्टी, क्लीन मीन्स साफ। तो कुछ मामले में गंदा भी था, कुछ साफ भी था, शैबी। It reminded Maddie of Wanda's one dress, her faded blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. So Wanda's blue cotton dress, though it looked shabby, in some ways it was clean also. There was not a sign of life about the house. वंडा के घर पहुंचे तो क्या देखा कि कोई हलचल नहीं था घर में। There was no sign of life about the house. When they reached Wanda's house, what did they find out? That there was no movement. Hello, my voice is clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
There was
Yes, ma'am.
not a sign of life. तो जब वंडा के घर गई, माफी मांगना था, बताना था उसको कि कॉन्टेस्ट जीता है उसने, एश्योरेंस देना था कि अब वो बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करेंगे। what happens is that when a person is with us, we don't value the importance of that person, but once that person leaves us, then we understand the true value. ऐसा होता है? हाँ, हेलो। तो
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
तो ऐसा ही इन दोनों लड़कियों के साथ था। तो अब जो है उनको लग रहा है कि वंडा इतनी टैलेंटेड है, इतनी उन लोगों ने उसका मजाक उड़ाया, अब वो अपना बदलना चाहती थी अपने बिहेवियर को। तो नॉक किया दरवाजे पर, लेकिन कोई आंसर नहीं था। she and Maddie went around to the backyard and knocked there. फिर वो पीछे गए, आंगन के पीछे, वहां भी नॉक किया। वहां से भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया। स्टिल देयर वाज नो आंसर। आगे के डोर को नॉक किया, नो आंसर। देन दे वेंट टू द बैकयार्ड एंड देन दे नॉक्ड देयर, स्टिल देयर वाज नो आंसर and there was no doubt about it, the Petronskis were gone. They were very unlucky. अब माफी मांगना था, they were feeling regretful, पछतावा हो रहा था, they were feeling guilty. But now they had missed their chance. They had missed their chance to say sorry to Wanda. Because the Petronskis were gone, how could they ever make amends? Make amends means change, to show that you are sorry by doing something good. हाँ, अब कुछ अच्छा काम करके जो है अपने बुरे काम को वो अपने बर्डन को हल्का करना चाहते थे. हाउ कुड दे एवर मेक अमेंड्स? इज देयर एनी चांस to change themselves by doing something good? How could they ever make amends? How could they do something good to make they turned slowly and made their way back down the hill? अब वो वापस अपने घर की तरफ आने लगे. They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. वो पीछे मुड़े और नीचे के तरफ आने लगे. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she's gone now, so what can we do? अब पेगी जो है उतनी सेंसिटिव तो नहीं थी, मैडी ज्यादा परेशान थी. पेगी ने कहा कि चलो आप चली ही गई, हम लोग क्या कर सकते, कोशिश तो किया. वी ट्राइड टू मेक अमेंड्स, टू बी गुड नाउ, बट now that she has gone, what can be done? Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. अब पेगी जो है अपने मजाक उड़ाने के ये को जस्टिफाई भी कर रही है. वो कहती है कि जब मैं उससे पूछ रही थी 100 ड्रेसेस के बारे में तो उसका अच्छा ही कर रही थी, उसको नया आइडिया मिल रहा था. सो look how she is justifying her wrong action by saying that by asking about her 100 dresses, she was giving her new ideas of her drawings. She might not even won the contest otherwise. तो वंडा के कॉन्टेस्ट विन करने का भी क्रेडिट आधा वो खुद ही ले लेती है कि if I had not asked her about the 100 dresses, she wouldn't have got such wonderful designs and ideas, and then she wouldn't have won the contest. तो मजाक उड़ा के मैं उसका भला ही कर रही थी. Otherwise, Mary turned this idea carefully over in her head, for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. मैडी भी इसी आइडिया को बार बार जो है अपने दिमाग में रिवॉल्व कर रही थी. For if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. अगर पेगी के बात में कुछ सच्चाई था तो उसको इतना गिल्टी नहीं फील होता. If there was any truth in Peggy's words, then she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep. लेकिन उस रात वो सो नहीं पाई. हाँ, अब जो है मैडी का गिल्ट फीलिंग, उसका रिग्रेट फीलिंग जो है वो ज्यादा हो रहा है. She could not get to sleep. Some people are very sensitive, some just take it casually. So in this, if you make a comparison between Petty and Maddie, uh, Maddie is more sensitive because she also belongs to the poor class, so she can relate to the feelings, how it feels if because of your poverty you are left out, how because of your poverty someone makes fun of you. So she could relate her feelings. She could put herself in Wanda's shoes. Put yourself in someone's shoes मतलब क्या, अपने आप को उसके जगह पर रख के देखना. Put yourself in Wanda's shoes. But for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep. That night she could not get to sleep. She thought about Wanda and a faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. पूरे दिन वो वंडा के बारे में सोचते रही, उसके फेडेड ब्लू ड्रेस के बारे में, उसके छोटे से घर के बारे में. And she thought of the glowing picture, and then she thought of the beautiful shining pictures of the dresses. All the pictures were so shining, so brilliant colors had been used, all lined up in the classroom. सारे photographs को वंडा ने जो बनाया था सबको क्लासरूम में एकदम लाइन से अरेंज करके रखा गया था. At last Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. और आज तक मैडी ने इतना ज्यादा किसी चीज पे नहीं सोचा था. वो बेडरूम में बैठी और पूरा अपने सर को दबा के pressed her forehead मतलब क्या, she just pressed her head and she thought that why she had done such things. This was the hardest thing. आज तक इतना प्रेशर अपने ब्रेन पे उसने कभी नहीं दिया. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the hardest thinking she had ever done. She had never put so much of pressure on her brain कि गलत किया, क्यों किया, माफी भी नहीं मांग सकते हैं, किसी इनोसेंट के फीलिंग्स को इतना हर्ट किया, no chance of apologizing. Everything, it was making her feel bad. There was a burden on her mind, but she could not do anything to lighten that burden. After a long time, she reached an important conclusion. बहुत सोचने के बाद मैडी ने एक conclusion अपने दिमाग में लिया. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. You can say that if you tolerate injustice, that is also a bad thing. You shouldn't tolerate injustice. So what had she done? उसने खुद injustice नहीं किया हो, बढ़ चढ़ के नहीं मजाक उड़ाया हो, लेकिन उसने मना तो नहीं किया पेगी को. So now she is going to change herself. अब वो जो है ऐसा नहीं रहेगी, चुप नहीं रहेगी, say nothing, मतलब अब injustice पे वो चुप नहीं रहेगी. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. What decision did she take up in her mind? She took up the decision that now if anyone will make fun of somebody because they are funny, yeah, because they have strange names, then she will speak up. उनके तरफ से वो बोलेगी कि ये गलत है, किसी का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए नाम के कारण, या कोई फनी दिखता है इसके कारण. If even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. Till now, what prevented Maddie from opposing Peggy? The thought that she would lose her friendship. This thought only prevented, even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. अब जो है वो चुप नहीं बैठने वाली है. अगर पेगी के फ्रेंडशिप को भी खोना पड़े तो कोई बात नहीं. Even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship, she had no way of making things right with Wanda. अब जो है वंडा के साथ तो वो कुछ सही नहीं कर सकती है, माफी नहीं मांग सकती है. और उसके साथ अब ऐसा नहीं है कि अब उसको वापस स्कूल ला सकती है, लेकिन एक काम तो वो कर सकती है, that now she will not allow anyone else to be a victim of bullying. This she can do. जो चीज अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ठीक है, you can leave it, but whatever is in control you can do that. But from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. अब से वो किसी और को इतना unhappy नहीं बनाएगी. But from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. She took this strong decision in her mind that from now on she will not tolerate bullying, she will not allow anyone to bully someone. What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior? Why? What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior? Hello? Oral comprehension check. Will answer.
If she didn't ask Wanda about 100 dresses, she couldn't make pictures of 100 dresses.
Okay, very good. She said that by asking Wanda about her 100 dresses, she was giving her new ideas about her 100 dresses. What are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Boggins Heights? Maddie thinks that she would go and apologize to her, and she would tell her how wonderful the whole school thought she was, and she would make her very cheerful. Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of the blue dress? क्योंकि वंडा का घर भी शैबी भी था, कुछ मामले में क्लीन भी था, और उसका फेडेड ब्लू ड्रेस वाज आल्सो द सेम, शैबी बट क्लीन. Contradiction. Think hard about. She thought hard about having behaved badly with Peggy, badly with Wanda, and then she took an important decision that from now on she will not allow anyone to bully anyone, and she will not keep quiet. If she sees that anyone is making fun of other person because of their names or any other discrimination, then she will speak up for them. She will oppose them. ठीक है, अगर अच्छा दोस्त खोना पड़े, सबसे पॉपुलर लड़की की दोस्ती भी खोना पड़े तो कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, she will do the right thing. What important decision does she come to? On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. तो ना अब मैडी जब वंडा से मिल नहीं पाई तो उसने सोचा कि वंडा को लेटर लिखते हैं. पेगी को बहुत ज्यादा फर्क इस सब से नहीं पड़ा, बट मैडी वाज द वन हु वाज मोस्ट डिस्टर्ब्ड. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. Maddie ने सोचा कि वंडा से अगर फेस टू फेस माफी नहीं मांग पाए तो उसको चिट्ठी से ही अपॉलजी लेटर लिखते हैं. Letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter about the contest. मतलब वंडा को वो खुश करना चाहती थी, उसको ये खुशखबरी देना चाहती थी कि तुमने ड्राइंग कॉन्टेस्ट जीत लिया है. Telling Wanda she had won. Telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were. और उन्होंने उसको बताया भी कि उसके ड्राइंग्स कितने सुंदर थे. And they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her. और लेटर में ये भी उन्होंने वांडा से पूछा था कि नया जगह उसको कैसा लग रहा है. Where she was living, वो किस जगह. पिंटू अटेंडेंस ले लेना. पिंटू आर यू? पिंटू, हेलो.
यस मैम, ले लिए मैम, ले लिए.
तो तुम्हारा दोस्त लोग क्लास नहीं कर रहा है, प्रियांशु और वो अभय?
यस मैम, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. हम बोलते हैं करने के लिए पर करता नहीं.
ठीक है. So then they told her how pretty her drawings were and they asked her if she liked where she was living. तो लेटर में ये भी लिखा था कि उसके ड्राइंग्स वो बहुत सुंदर थे, वो बहुत टैलेंटेड है. और फिर नए जगह के बारे में उससे पूछा लेटर में कि how she was liking the new place, if she liked her new teacher. They had meant to say they were sorry, but it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter. So she wanted to write an apology letter, but what happened? She could not write an apology letter. She wrote just a friendly letter. तो अंत में जो है मैडी ने वंडा को एक लेटर लिखा, just a friendly letter informing her that she had won the drawing contest and then just asking her about the new place, whether she liked the new place, whether she liked the new teacher, and other things. Just a friendly letter. तो एक friendly letter उसने लिखा and they signed it with lots of love, lots of excess for love. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights, writing, "Please forward on the envelope." अब एड्रेस तो नया, एड्रेस वंडा का तो पता नहीं था, तो लेटर को पोस्ट मेल कहाँ किया? बॉगिन्स हाइट्स पे मेल करके, और प्लीज फॉरवर्ड मींस द पोस्ट ऑफिस अथॉरिटीज can forward the letter to the new address. So they wrote the letter and they posted the letter to Boggins Heights, and on the envelope they wrote, "Please forward." Means the authorities, concerned authorities will mail the letter to the new address. तो लेटर, फ्रेंडली लेटर लिखा मैडी ने वंडा को, और डेज पास्ड एंड देयर वाज नो आंसर. बहुत दिन बीत गए लेकिन वंडा के मैडी के लेटर का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. डेज पास्ड एंड देयर वाज नो आंसर, बट द लेटर डिड नॉट कम बैक. बट द लेटर रीच्ड वंडा. व्हाट वाज द प्रूफ दैट द लेटर रीच्ड वंडा? लेटर वापस नहीं आया. अगर कोई चीज किसी को नहीं पहुंचता है सही एड्रेस पे, तो वो वापस आ जाता है. So letter did not come back. That means what? That it had reached Wanda. So maybe Wanda had received it. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry that she was not going to answer. तो अब लेटर रिप्लाई नहीं आया, तो मैडी को लगने लगा कि वो बहुत हर्ट है, बहुत गुस्से में है, इसीलिए वो नहीं जवाब देगी. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. You could not blame her. उसकी गलती भी नहीं थी. इतना उन लोगों ने उसको परेशान किया था, तो you could not blame her. Weeks went by and still Wanda did not answer. बहुत सारा वीक गुजर गया लेकिन वंडा ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. But still Wanda did not answer. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. Peggy was not so bothered about all this. She consoled herself कि अच्छा के लिए ही किया था, मजाक उड़ाया तो ड्रेस डिजाइन का आइडियाज आया. And Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda. But Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda, defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with. And what about Maggie? वो बड़े बड़े लंबे लंबे स्पीच लिखने लगी. किस तरह के स्पीच? कि कैसे वो वंडा को बचाएगी. She started writing defensive speeches, speeches advising girls not to make fun of others, preventing other students of making fun of someone because of someone's name or because of someone is just a foreigner. She started writing big speeches defending her from great crowds of girls. कैसे वो वंडा को अब अगर किसी ने मजाक उड़ाया तो कैसे उसको बचाएगी, क्या स्पीच देगी लड़कियों को. Girls who are how many dresses have you got? यही जो है सवाल पूछ के वंडा का मजाक उड़ाया जाता था. And before Wanda could press her lips, the way she said, Maddie would cry out, "Stop!" अब उसने क्या सोचा था, अगर किसी ने ये सवाल वंडा से पूछा तो मैं जोर से चिल्लाऊंगी, "Stop!" Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. And then when she will shout at everybody not to make fun of her, to stop making fun of her, then everybody would feel ashamed. फिर लोगों को लगेगा कि हाँ सही, ये गलत किया हमने. Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. Everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. So we'll continue in the next class. Oral. Okay. What kind of letter did Maddie write to Wanda? What are the things that Maddie wrote in her letter to Wanda? Batao. Hello.
Maddie wrote a friendly letter to
Yes, very good. स्नेहा बोल रही हो, बोलो. फ्रेंडली लेटर. लेटर में
Yes.
क्या लिखा था, क्या पूछा था उसको? About her?
uh, about her new places.
Yes.
and about her new teachers.
Yes. Very good.
And she also want to inform her about that she had won the contest,
Okay. Very good.
drawing contest.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sneha, good.
And she also want to say sorry about their mistakes.
सॉरी लेकिन वो लेटर में लिख नहीं पाई. सोचा था कि
Yes,
अपॉलजी
ma'am.
लेटर लिखेगी लेकिन फ्रेंडली लेटर ही लिख पाई. She couldn't write the apology letter. She just asked her about the new place, a new teacher, whether she liked the new place, and she informed her that you have won the drawing competition and your dress designs were very beautiful. These are the things that she wrote in the letter. What was the evidence that the letter had not had reached Wanda? What made?
Because the letter didn't come back.
Okay, yes, very good. The letter didn't come back, so Maddie thought that
Yeah.
it may have reached her. Okay. स्लो ही जा रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी तो टाइम है उसमें भी. That is why I'm teaching slowly. And okay, we'll continue tomorrow in the next class. Tomorrow the chapter will be finished. थोड़ा सा ही रह गया. This week you have your test also. क्वेश्चन बता देंगे एक दो दिन में. अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है. डिसाइड नहीं